So now, may I have the honor to invite this impressionistic personality to kindly come up to the stage and grace the audience with its benign presence. Sir, please.
Good morning to all of you. Mr. Shishir Deshmukh, Assistant Vice President, Dias Park. Dr. Tony Atkins, Staffordshire University, United Kingdom. Sri Harmeet Chhabra, also from Dias Park. Professor Swatantr Singh, HOD, Bhai Maha Singh College of Engineering, Mukteswar, Punjab. Professor Yuvraj Bhatnagar, Director, MBA, ITS, Greater Noida. Professor Ashwini Kus, Head of Department, Computer Science, University College, Kurukshetra. Professor S.N. Panda, Principal, RIMT, Mandi, Govindgarh. Professor Akhilesh Upadhyay, Vice Principal, SRIT, Bhopal. And my dear friends from press and media, the distinguished delegates, the valuable authors, participants, research scholars, the whole organizing committee of ICA CST 2012, and especially Engineer Ravi Kumar, the convener of this conference, respected faculties, my dear students. It's really a matter of immense pleasure for me to be part of this inaugural ceremony of the IEEE ICA CST International Conference on Advanced Computing and Communication Technology 2012. I have a very emotional tie-up with this international conference, and reason is that I remember in 2005 we have initiated these steps to have some platform where academicians, researchers, and industry leaders can meet and share their thoughts and do something in the field of research and development. We were a very small institution by that time, and once we dared to dream like this, the people were very suspicious whether we would be able to make it success or not. But it was quite successful in 2005, and from there we got more motivations, and we thought that we should look forward and carry on these missions. And Appetized India has organized every year except 1 year, and that's why this is the 6th time we are organizing this Advanced Computing and Communication Technology. You see there are very handful number of the peoples here, but as you know, there is a very hard work behind any such kind of the international conferences, and that you will find. I hope that we have supplied you the proceedings and the souvenirs, and what I feel that this conference has attained a good level of maturity over a period of time. And it is evident from the fact that this time again we have received a huge number of the research paper throughout the world. And it was quite difficult. With a very strict peer review, we have selected, and if I am not mistaken, it is 286. 35 has been selected, and this huge response has compelled us to publish the proceedings in 4 volumes. First time in the history of this international conference, we have been able to publish the proceedings in 4 volumes to accommodate the various tracks. Another interesting things which I have noticed, that year by year this conference is accommodating new emerging technology, which was started with the computing, then communications, and now electrical and mechatronics, and even management has been incorporated. So this conference is trying to give a larger platform for the technocrats, research scholars, the research fellows, and certainly the whole academic fraternity. I wish and I congratulate to the organizing committee of this conference for the grand success of this conference, and especially I am very thankful to all the contributors, authors who have contributed their valuable works and helped the research and development field. The another important thing which I will like to mention here, that this organizing committee has worked very hard, and that's why I find that there is a very fine kind of the review, and very good number of panel of the reviewer were employed, and the really review has been done with the paper. And in one day we are trying to give the opportunity to the delegates and participants and research scholar to present their paper with a very competent kind of the technical chairs, where the real presentation and review, re-review of the paper can be done. With these words, I am not taking much of your time. Wish you a nice stay and pleasant stay at Apitest India. Have a nice day. Thank you to all of you.